Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a collective handbag haul. I do have one pair of shoes in here, but the rest are all handbags. This is very much a collective haul, so I did not buy all of these at once. It's really been over the past few weeks, even month or so. And this is off the back of the bag sale that I did. I finally got around to doing a bag sale. I've been meaning to do one for about a year now, and so I finally got around to it. I was super brutal. I got rid of so many bags, and of course I've already started buying replacements. So I'm going to show you guys exactly what I got. I hope you guys enjoy this, and let's get started. So you may be able to see everything is kind of stacked up here. I tried to kind of push it towards the edge of the camera frame, but I have quite a lot to show you. I'm going to start off with a thing that I'm not so sure about first, because I want your guys' opinions on it. So first up is a bag I got from Matches. They had a discount code recently. In fact, I still think it might be going on, but I think you need to already be a member or something like that. But it was £300 off a £1,000 spend, which is pretty much 30%, which was amazing. So I took advantage. How beautiful is that packaging? And I got a bag that has been on my wish list for a little while now, but I'm not sure about the combination I got. So I wanted to get your guys' thoughts. It is from Prada. Okay, so you may already be able to guess what it is, but it's one of their wicker bags. How cute is that? I've been wanting a Prada wicker bag for so long now. I've been dithering about it because I don't feel like they're the best value for money. You know, you're not getting any leather, and it is a very seasonal bag. But with the discount code, I got £300 off, so it was less than £700, which I thought was a great deal for a new season bag. But I'm not sure about the color combination I got, and they didn't have every color combination, so they only had black and red and white. I saw this and they styled it so well on the website that it totally convinced me to get it. But I'm a bit concerned that it is a little bit out of my comfort zone, and every time I go out of my comfort zone, I find I don't use the bag, which is the reason why I tend to get a lot of similar looking bags, because I know at least I'm going to use it, whereas a lot of times in the past, I'll go out of my comfort zone and then I just don't end up using it. I'm concerned that the striped print is just a bit too much for a bag. But at the same time, I do love the look of it, and I think it's so adorable. It's fairly lightweight, it's very, very structured, obviously. The strap is very thick. I'm not sure why they did such a thick strap. It seems a little bit out of place to me, but that doesn't bother me too much because I'm not really planning on wearing it as a shoulder bag. It just zips open across the top. It is a very smooth zip, and then it's fabric on the inside as well. It's so cute and so summery, so I do think it's absolutely adorable. Look at that, it's just such a cute looking bag. You have the Prada sign right there, and then you also had the Prada little luggage tag right there as well. So adorable. It's definitely a rigid, sturdy bag, but you can fit a decent amount inside, definitely all the essentials, sunglasses, purse, phone, all that kind of stuff. A decent size. I do really like it, but I'm just really scared that I'm not going to get enough use out of it. I honestly can't decide. So let me know what you think about this. I think it's adorable, but I do wonder if I should maybe swap it out for like a plain white one, but at the same time then I'll lose the discount code because Matches didn't have the white version. So I'm not sure if it's worth spending the $300 extra to get a more neutral one, or actually this is just something a little bit different to my collection. So let me know your thoughts down below. I'm going to try to decide whether I should swap it out or not. Yeah, let me know. So next up, I have an unboxing from Senrev. And it's the proper unboxing because I haven't even opened it yet. I probably should have brought scissors. So here is the inside. I have my invoice here. Okay, so I also got a little free gift for this. They were doing a promotion, and you could choose either from a octopus keyring or a set of earrings. I didn't think I'd wear an octopus set of earrings, so I went for the keyring. How cute is this? I think it was for International Women's Day, and I think it's supposed to symbolize basically the many different things that women kind of have to juggle. And I believe the octopus is Senrev's kind of logo, emblem, mascot, that sort of thing. I'm gonna try and get the wrapping off. How sweet is that? I was worried it was going to be really massive and I wouldn't actually use it, but that's really dinky. Comes with this beautiful red velvet pouch as well. So, so cute. And now for the actual bag. Okay, so I have been after this for a while. It was out of stock, or they stopped making it or something, I don't know. But I have a few other bags from them. My favorite is the Mini Maestra, but I've been eyeing up the Midi, which I don't have yet. I wanted it as a kind of in-between work bag, so obviously not a work tote, but something that would do kind of days where I don't need my laptop, but I still want something very functional and smart looking. And I wanted their smooth leather, which I think they only do in one color. I saw it on their Instagram, and this one photo, I'll put it on screen, completely captivated me. I fell in love with it, and I basically stalked their website until it came back in stock, and it finally did. I pounced on it as soon as it did. Oh, it's pretty. Oh my days. Oh, look at that. How gorgeous is that? I have never seen or experienced their smooth leather before. It's absolutely beautiful. The color is really pretty, just a very classic taupe color, very, very neutral, not too brown either. I don't like really kind of rich shades of brown. The leather is just stunning. I like their pebbled leather as well. It is very durable and hard wearing, but I thought their smooth leather was just gorgeous. And this is the midi size, so in between their kind of large one, which can fit a laptop, and their Mini Maestra. I couldn't remember the name then. Their Mini Maestra, so this is the midi. It comes with their classic blue suede lining. How pretty is this? Has the Semrev logo there and their little made in Italy stamp. And then my favorite part of Semrev bags are all the pockets. It's just so functional and useful. You have the big pocket right here, the many little compartment pockets there. You have a little keychain to hook on pouches and things like that. And then on the other side, you have a zip pocket as well as some other pockets as well. So, so beautiful. Gold hardware as well, which I think is the perfect complement. I am planning on doing a whole, well, it's not a series, but I'm planning on doing 2 new work bag videos. So I'm going to be doing a new set of reviews for work totes, and then I'm going to be doing a separate video for other work bags which aren't totes, because I appreciate that not everyone likes to use a tote. So I probably include this. I'm going to include my Givenchy Antigoda, my Prada double bag. I'm going to do a full review. So I'm going to give this a go and I'll report back, but it looks absolutely beautiful, so super, super happy with it. And as I mentioned, work bags, this is actually a bag that I got not specifically for the work tote video, but I definitely helped justify it as part of that video. I've been wanting an Evelien tote for a really long time. First saw this on Meghan Markle, which I assume is how most people find out about this bag now, but she looks so chic with it and it instantly made me want one. Heard a lot of good things about the brand. I've never bought anything from there before, but I decided to give it a go and it finally arrived. I went for the cognac color, which is the same one that she had. Not usually a color I go for, and I'm not entirely sure it was the right color choice for me, but I'm gonna give it a go. Came with tons of packaging. It's very, very lightweight and it's very minimal as well, so it is slightly different from the other tote bags I have. It's very, very large. I think it's larger than both the Louis Vuitton Neverfull MM and the Valentino tote I have, but I will talk all about it in the review videos I'm planning. And on the inside, it is just super, super minimal. It's very kind of raw, if that makes sense. They're kind of, it looks like scratches on the leather, but I don't think they are. Well, they are kind of scratches, but I think it's intentionally raw like that. You do just have a pocket here, and then that's it. So very, very understated. It's just smooth leather all the way across. And then you do just have the Evelien made in Italy stamp right there. So I will be reporting back. I think I'm going to do the first of those videos at the end of this month, and then probably the tote bag one next month. TBC, but that's what I'm planning on. So yeah, very excited to give this a go. Hopefully it lives up to the hype. I'm down to my last 3 items now, and this is all from one big order that I placed at Louisa Via Roma. So I have 2 bags and then 1 pair of shoes. So the shoes that I got are from Saint Laurent, and if you watch my wishlist videos, then you may know what these are because I mentioned wanting them. I finally decided to get them. Come in the dust bag. I love the fact that Saint Laurent shoes come kind of all nestled in their own dust bags, because some brands only give you 1 dust bag for every pair, whereas Saint Laurent give you 1 each. And they are these sandals that I wanted. How cute are those? I did actually get the white ones first, and I didn't like the white ones at all. I didn't realize they were patent leather and they just weren't very comfortable, and I didn't get on with them. So I exchanged them for these, and I'm so much happier with them. I think they're absolutely beautiful. The leather is gorgeous. The color is really nice as well. Very kind of French chic. I imagine these are going to go with every kind of summer outfit. They look to be fairly comfortable as well. It has a beautiful sole and they honestly just look like the most well-made sandals ever. So pretty. So I'm very intrigued to see how much I'm gonna like these compared to the Hermes sandals that I have. If you guys are interested in that, then I am happy to do a review comparing them. But yeah, very excited for these and very excited for some warm summer weather now. Next up is a Tory Burch bag that I got, and I actually got this using points that I have. So if you shop at Louise V. Roma regularly, you'll probably know this, but they basically do a reward system where you get points for every purchase that you make, and it's actually really good. And because I shop there so much, I had a ton of points to use that finally cleared, because I think there's like a 3-month waiting period so you don't return it. So those cleared, and so I could convert those into a gift voucher. And it was actually quite a lot of money. So I'm a huge fan of their rewards program, and with those points and that kind of gift voucher I got this bag. And I've been wanting a kind of a bit more low-key bag for a while, just because I have tons of bags, I know that, but I don't always want to use a Chanel bag for every kind of occasion. Sometimes I just want something very subtle and low-key, and I wanted a more kind of dressy bag. I have lots of tote bags which are more low-key, but nothing really in a smaller size which, you know, isn't going to be too flashy. And I saw this and thought it was the prettiest thing, obviously very up my street with the pale pink and the gold hardware, but I thought it was beautiful. And then I got the gift voucher through and I was like, well, I don't have any reason not to get this now. I believe this is called the Robinson, and it's a really nice size. It's very light and comfortable, which I love. It has a fair bit of depth as well, so you can fit a ton in, and it is just a magnetic closure, which I love because it's so easy to open. And then on the inside, you just have 2 compartments, a pocket here and then a zip pocket there. So it's really well laid out. I used this for the first time the other day and I was so happy with it. It's super pretty. There's also a pocket on the back as well, and just exactly what I wanted. So super happy with this, and obviously with the Louise V. Roma points, it was even better. And my very last bag is from Valentino. Again, if you watch my wishlist videos, then you'll probably know what this is because I did talk about it there. I finally decided to take the plunge. So it is this adorable little rock stud crossbody. So it does come with the longer straps. You can wear it as a crossbody, or you can just wear it across the shoulder. But my favorite way to wear it is with the wristlet. How cute is that? You can easily shorten this to the wristlet, or obviously, as I mentioned, you can lengthen it to a crossbody. I thought this was so adorable. It just opens up with a little clasp there, and then you just slide it open. And the size is actually very generous. It's a very dinky bag, but because of the depth, you can actually fit a fair bit in. So it is plenty roomy for a phone, but you also have more than enough space for keys, a card holder, small wallet, makeup, anything like that. So I thought this was adorable. You do have the pocket in the back as well. The leather is beautiful. I got this in the poudre color. I was debating between this and the pink, and I was asking Dan, and Dan looked at the pink and he was like, honestly, Amy, that looks like a bag that you get from Forever 21, whereas the poudre, well, he didn't say the poudre, but he was like, that one it looks like a proper luxurious bag. So that pretty much sold me. I'm so glad I followed his advice because I love this color. It's so beautiful. I have the matching rock studs as well in the high heel version, and the colors match completely. So super happy with this. It does have the Valentino stamp on the back as well. The leather is absolutely beautiful, and I just think that the stud detailing gives it a little bit of edge as well. So happy with this. I think it's absolutely stunning. And finally, I do have a little giveaway that I wanted to sneak in at the end. If you watched my Chanel vlog, then you'll know what this is, because I mentioned I was doing a Chanel giveaway, and this is the video where I'm doing it. So I have unboxed it, but you will get all of the packaging. And this is from the new season collection, which is in stores right now. It comes in the dinky little dust bag. And then here we have the iridescent pink card holder. I'm not fully sure what leather this is. I don't know whether it's the grained lambskin or caviar. It does have that grained finish though, so it is going to be very durable. It has the beautiful iridescent pink shimmer. It is so stunning, and it also has this kind of really pretty distressed look, so it brings out the shimmer even more. So stunning. It has 2 pockets on the back, the larger middle pocket, and then also a front pocket as well. Absolutely gorgeous, and one of you is going to have the chance to win this. Super simple to enter. There are only 2 entry criteria. So the first one is be subscribed to my YouTube channel if you haven't already. Leave me a comment down below saying that you'd like to enter. Then go over to my Instagram and there will be a giveaway photo there. It will be very obvious which one it is, but I will also leave a direct link to it in the description section, and then comment on that and also make sure that you're following me on Instagram as well. That's all you have to do. So step 1, follow me on YouTube, leave me a comment down below, and step 2 is to follow me on Instagram and leave a comment on that giveaway photo as well. One important thing to remember is if your Instagram name is different to your YouTube name, just make sure you tell me what your Instagram name is in your YouTube entry comment so I can match the 2 up. That is it. That is all you have to do. The giveaway is open internationally, so anyone can enter. It's open for 3 weeks and it's only 1 entry per person. The winner will be selected at random and I will announce the giveaway winner on my Instagram stories, but I will also update this video in the description section. So if you want to know who won, then just visit back on this video and then I will have the description section updated. I will also leave all the details and rules and everything in the description section in case you want to check anything, as well as the link to that Instagram photo. If you are entering, best of luck. It is a beautiful card holder. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions for me, then let me know down below. And if you're entering the giveaway, best of luck. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I will see you in my next one. Bye, guys.